Create mortise and tenon joinery on the legendary multi-router, faster and more accurate than ever before with the exciting addition of these 3 new accessories, including the new MT Templates, the MT Stylus, and the Variable Stylus. The new MT templates are a combination mortise and tenon template that not only form the cutter path for your tenons, but also features a slot in the template that reduces mortise setup time to mere seconds. The process for cutting a perfectly dimensioned tenon is simple. Just select your MT template of choice and install it in the template holder. Then dial in your multi-router so that the tenon will be centered in both directions on your stock. Now all that's left to do is to cut the tenon by riding the bearing of the MT Stylus along the outside perimeter of the MT template. With the tenon all cut, we need to cut a matching mortise. But to make setup quick and easy, we'll be using this new reduced pin on the back end of our new MT Stylus and the slot on the MT template. Begin by first recentering the 2 tables by placing the stylus in the notch on the tenon template holder. Then flip the MT Stylus around so that the reduced pin is facing the template. Lower the vertical table and push the stylus forward until the reduced pin enters the slot on the MT template. Then slide the horizontal table to the left and right and lock your stops in place to limit the travel of the horizontal table. Lastly, retract the stylus and dial in the height of your desired mortise. Then cut the mortise by maneuvering the horizontal table forward and left to right, taking small passes until you've reached the full depth of your mortise. As you can see, the setup time for cutting this mortise is greatly reduced with these new MT templates. By having a template to set the exact width for your mortise, there's no more measuring, marking, or guesswork, and no more test cuts. Saving you time and increasing your efficiency by creating a perfect mating mortise the first time, every time. The MT Stylus is designed to work with router bits that are exactly on dimension to create a perfect fitting tenon for your mortise. But what if you need to alter the overall size of the tenon to make up for things like a bad collet, dirt in your router's taper, or a poorly ground router bit? To solve these potential problems, we designed the new Variable Stylus. This stylus substitutes for the needing of 3 separate sized A, B, or C tenon templates. Instead of changing the size of the template, you simply change the size of the brass bearing on the Variable Stylus for the same result with a more cost-effective solution. The Variable Stylus includes 4 interchangeable brass bearings that increase the overall size of the tenon in increments of 0.005 of an inch up to 20 thousandths. Just like the MT Stylus, the Variable Stylus also features the same reduced pin on the back end for quick and easy stop collar setup for mortise operations. In addition to the exciting new design of these MT templates, we also expanded the number of mortises and tenons you can create from 15 to 26, including full sets of 1/4 inch, 5/16, 3/8, and 1/2 inch templates, ranging in widths as small as 3/4 of an inch all the way up to 3 inches depending on thickness. Now remember, these MT templates do require the new MT Stylus, which is sold separately. But if you order a new multi-router from us, the new MT Stylus will come included with your machine. The MT Stylus will replace the previous version and is compatible with all legacy multi-router templates, including both old and new style tenon templates. The new Variable Stylus is only compatible with old or new style tenon templates and is not designed for use with box joint, dovetail, or round tenon templates. Reduce your setup time on the multi-router and improve on the fit of your mortise and tenons with the new MT Templates, MT Stylus, and Variable Stylus from Woodpeckers.